Hey, so today I'm going to be showing you a new tool. It's called Trello. Trello is an online project management tool that could be helpful in your classroom and making sure that everybody is on the same page. I know with me, I'll be having a daily meeting, twice a day meetings with my students. So this will help them stay organized and organize questions in the same spot. So what happens with Trello is it allows you to work collaboratively and in different locations and make sure that everybody is able to stay informed. So you can work with any different team, whether it's for work or a side project. It helps you plan and stay organized. So it gives you what you're supposed to be doing, what you've finished. It gives you information at a glance, so you can dive into details. So you can add comments on each of these cards. You can actually give more information on them, due dates as well. It has built-in workflow automation with the Butler system. And what it does is it, rather than you doing these tedious tasks, it deals with rule-based triggers. So like once this is done, you have to work with this. Custom card and board buttons, calendar commands, and due date commands. The robots all do that for you. So like as a quick little demo here, so if we're doing a business launch, you can create a board, you can give it a name, and you can invite your team members or your students. Then you create the steps in a workflow that you want, so to do, doing, and done. I'll show you a board that I made from a template earlier later. And so after you make your workflow, you create cards for tasks to complete, and then you can put some more information in there that you want to organize. And then you can build the website. So if this is a build website one, so you can click on the card to add details, due dates, checklist, comments, and more within that card. So when somebody clicks on it, they get an expanded view and they see the more information. Okay, and then as soon as they have finished doing something, they can actually just drag it over to the done pile, and they will have a visual reminder of what they've done and what they still need to do. It's free. You can sign up with email, with your Google email there. You can figure out what works best for you. So you can make a team playbook. So it's easy for you to get up and make a game plan. You can integrate the apps that you already use, such as Slack, Drive, Dropbox, or Evernote. And then it always syncs. You can download it on the App Store as well as on Google Play. I'm just going to show you quickly a board that I use for the from a template. So I have project resources, questions for next meeting, to do, pending, and blocked. Different workflows for students, so I could click and drag that into the new one if I wanted, or reorder it. So this is a tip. Card labels, what they do and what do they mean. So I'm going to click for some more information. So yellow, copy request; red, priority, design team, Trello tip, help. I can add members, labels, due date, attachments, covers. I can do power-ups. I can move it, copy, make template. I can watch this, archive, or I could share it. And if I click share, I can put a link to this card. I can email them or whatever. I can edit my description here if I wanted. Either way, you set your labels. All right, so this, I can make a new one, test. Right, test label. I can pick a new color. I'm gonna pick this color and hit create. Okay, and now I got a new label there. So you don't have to use these ones. You can use different labels, and then you can just explain. It'll leave a card in here, like this is what this label color means. So if this is a priority, it'll be in red. So this needs to be done before you do anything else. You can do this for assignments, for classwork, projects, tests, different things in your classroom. Anyway, so that is Trello. Please check it out. And yeah, so it's Trello.com. It's really, really easy.